Yo, it's your boy Thomas. It's your boy Thomas. In this video, I'm just literally about to talk to you about. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Thomas. I'm in college right now. I'm 20, about to hit 21. Now I can go to the club. My ID. I don't need no fake ID now. But yeah, let's get back on the topic. It's your boy Thomas. I'm in college right now, and I'm basically about to show you on my YouTube channel. On my channel, I'm basically about to show you how to survive in college. I got 3 ways. I got 2 ways I survive in college. But I'm also going to show videos about training because I'm an athlete. I'm an athlete in college right now, so I'm actually going to show videos about training and stuff. The first way I'm going to show you how to survive in college is by cutting hair. But that sounds simple. Shit, cutting hair sounds simple. But yeah, cutting hair. That will really get you up there while you're in school. Cause I remember my first year, like I knew how to cut, but I wasn't I wasn't as good. I kept doubting myself. Like, yo, I ain't trying to cut hair because if I fuck somebody's hairline up, all that extra stuff, you ain't gotta worry about all that. On my channel, I'm really gonna show you how to do all that. Like, I'm really gonna show you who you can learn on, like how, like step by step, how to do this stuff. Like, I'm really gonna go into detail. Like, you ain't gonna be seeing my face. You see my face now, but you really ain't gonna be seeing my face in my video. I mean, for all the ladies out there, I know you like seeing my face. Yeah, I'm playing right now, but yeah, I'm literally about to be showing you like for hairlines, like how to use the trimmer, like how to like flick the wrist when you getting fades and taper and all that extra stuff. I'm literally gonna show you like the basic, like the 3 guideline of cutting hair, or like giving tapers and fades, or like hairline, how to make the hairline straight. I'm really gonna go to details of cutting hairline. Then the next way to survive gonna be by painting. Cause when I was in school, I used to draw, but now I used that skill and I know how to paint, and I be painting shoes. Feel me? I be painting shoes. So in this video on my channel, I'm really gonna show y'all how to paint shoes, especially because I've been painting shoes for like. Actually, I got bored one day. I was like, you know what? I could paint on rolled paper. So why can't I just paint shoes? Like, yo, I didn't see hella dudes paint shoes and they mess it up. They paint not right. Like, they don't know what they're doing. So I watched. Yeah, I start painting. So this the first shoe I paint. You won't believe this, but this is the first shoe I paint. I painted this like probably like a year ago. Yeah, this is the first shoe I paint. Yeah, this shit was really bad, bro. I was trying to get me some new 12s, and I was like, why spend that money getting me new 12s? I could just paint this. So I went on Angela Durant, and I got red paint, and I got the black paint, and I got the white paint. The misses was all gone. This was all yellow. Like, you know, if you're a shoe head, you know what I'm talking about. They just changed color. So yeah, I got that. I had cleaned that up, and I got that right with the paint. And yeah, shit cold. But I got better shoes than that. I got some 11s I painted and all that, but they ain't here with them. They just changed color. So yeah, I got that. I had cleaned that up, and I got that right with the paint. And yeah, shit cold. But I got better shoes than that. I got some 11s I painted and all that, but they ain't here with me right now. They with my boys. Yeah, his crib. But I'll show you that later on in my video. And my last thing I'm gonna be doing on my channel is training. Like I said from the start, I don't know if I said it, but I'm an athlete in school, so I'm gonna be showing you as an athlete in school how to stay in shape, how to work on your body, how to get faster. Cause I do track, how to get faster, especially how to do workout for your leg to make your legs stronger, how to like keep your endurance up there. Cause on my channel, you're gonna be with me training. Like, this ain't just me showing somebody else training while I'm recording. This ain't one of them YouTube videos. I'm actually doing the work. Feel me? I'm actually doing the work. I'm recording myself doing the work. I might have one of my boys record me while I'm doing the work. Feel me? I'm actually going down into details. And yeah, I'm telling y'all, stay tuned, yo. Watch this channel. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. This is gonna be lit. This is gonna be lit. I'm telling y'all, stay tuned, yo. Track Nation, surviving college cut, everything. That's how I'm coming this year. Alright, stay tuned.